You're watching the Evening Report at 6 on NBC North Dakota News, your news leader.
People turning in their tax forms to the federal building in Bismarck today didn't do it in silence. One group protested President Obama's economic stimulus plan, and the other one came out in support. Maria Arceo has more about both rallies. Marie?
Alan, the first group of people came out at noon today in front of the federal building to show their support for President Obama's plan. Supporters say the plan restores fairness to the tax code by closing offshore tax havens for large corporations. People held signs supporting what they call positive changes in the plan. Now at 3 o'clock, another group came out to protest the plan in the nationwide Tax Day Tea Party. Protesters say they're fed up with taxation and government takeover brought on with the stimulus plan and say it will instead create fewer jobs over the next couple of years.
We hope to show that they aren't alone in thinking that there's a lot of people that are upset, and people passing by probably are too busy to come join us, but they need to know that there's a lot of people willing to stand up for them and for their families who need to save as much money as they can, especially with the economy the way it is.
Now, more than 30,000 people in more than 500 cities took part in today's Tax Day Tea Party protest across the country. Alan?
All right, thanks, Marie.
Some state lawmakers showed their support for our congressional delegation in passing a federal budget that includes health care reform. Lawmakers say the state has been discussing health care reform for a long time, and the national mood might lead Congress to get it done. A report by Families USA found that nearly 28% of North Dakotans were uninsured at some point in the last 2 years, and suggests that now is the time to get that number down.
We need to address this issue and find a solution that will allow all the children and citizens of our state to receive good quality and affordable health care.
Lawmakers say they're working on legislation for the next session that they say will fit nicely with the federal plan.